If you are searching for a high-powered, large-capacity countertop blender capable of crushing ice to snow, blending frozen fruit smoothies, and prepping big batches for the whole family, the Ninja UltraCrush Professional Blender BP201 is likely on your radar. Finding a reliable, budget-friendly blender with true ice-crushing power can be tough, so understanding how this 1000-watt model performs in daily kitchen tasks helps determine whether it fits your routine. Quick disclosure: the product link in the description is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases if you decide to buy through it. The primary highlight of the Ninja UltraCrush BP201 is its robust 1000-watt motor paired with Ninja's signature total crushing blades. Instead of spinning a small blade only at the bottom, this stacked multi-blade assembly extends up through the center of the pitcher, pulverizing whole ice cubes, frozen berries, and tough ingredients in seconds. Capacity is a major advantage for families and meal preppers. The extra-large 72-ounce pitcher offers a 64-ounce liquid capacity, allowing you to blend full batches of smoothies, frozen margaritas, pureed soups, or protein shakes in a single run without having to blend in multiple stages. Control and usability are simple and direct. The front panel features straightforward manual controls offering low, medium, and high speeds alongside a dedicated pulse function. This gives you exact tactile control over your blend texture, whether you want a chunky salsa, coarsely crushed ice, or a silky smooth green drink. Daily maintenance and cleanup are quick and hassle-free. The entire 72-ounce pitcher, removable stacked blade assembly, and lid are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup after morning smoothies or weekend party drinks effortless. When evaluating who the Ninja UltraCrush BP201 is best suited for, it stands out as an excellent, durable workhorse for families, smoothie lovers, and entertainers looking for raw ice-crushing power without paying luxury blender prices. On the other hand, if you prefer single-serve personal cups to blend and carry directly to work, or if you need hot soup friction heating capabilities, a multi-accessory blender system might be a better match. Before making your decision, consider whether a high-capacity pitcher with manual speed controls matches your daily prep needs. If this looks like the right performance blender for your kitchen, you can check current pricing and availability using the product link in description. If this video helped clarify the features of the Ninja UltraCrush Professional Blender BP201, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point product breakdowns. If you have any questions or favorite smoothie recipes, drop them in the comments below.